Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay. So we have the Judgment, the Hierophant, the Page of Wands, the Strength, the Nine of Cups, the Two of Wands, the Death card, the Fool, and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Scorpios. Okay, we have the Ten of Hearts. Guidance from the angels for Scorpios. Okay. So Scorpios, what I'm getting here is that you have made a decision, and this decision was something which was obviously very, very important, and it was pending from long. It was pending from a pretty long time. It was a long awaited decision. It was as crucial to you as if it has given you a new life. It was so important for you. So it was something you were really, really waiting for, sort of dying for. You really wanted to have it, something. Perhaps you wanted to have something, and you've taken a decision recently. And this decision seems to be about a commitment. Okay, it is a commitment, or maybe it's a marriage. Okay, so it is a decision which was, and this is obviously a major decision, talking about the commitment or even a marriage, and that is the beginning of this new life which you have started. So a major decision, calling for a commitment or leading for to a commitment, at least if not marriage, but which is it is a commitment which has a long term relationship in the mind, and you have a marriage on the mind. It is such a decision. So whosoever you are committing to is a person whom you want to stay with. Okay, and that is a new beginning of your life, and that is the new chapter which you are beginning in your life. Okay, and here what I see here is that maybe this decision was so important that it has really taxed you a lot. So you're dealing with a situation which has required a lot of your courage, patience, and your determination. So perhaps you were adamant on committing to this situation or this person, whatever this is. Okay, and if it is not a person, if it's not a marriage, then it is a situation in which you are totally committed, which is stable, which is long term. Okay, it can, if it is not related to a person, then it is something. If it is your career related thing, then it is something which it's sort of a break which you wanted, or something which you wanted to start new. If okay, and this is something permanent. Okay, if it is a sort of a business type of a thing, then it is a commitment which you have wanted from a long time, and this beginning you wanted to have since a long time, and this is something which you have laid the foundations on. It is something like that. Okay, if it is that aspect in your life. and it has really taxed your determination. You have really worked hard on it. It has really taken a toll on your determination and patience, and now you are sitting very cool, complacent, and your wishes are fulfilled. So basically the thing is, no matter how much you've been taxed, no matter how much tough this situation was, now the thing is that all your wishes are fulfilled, and you are sitting pretty happy in your situation, in your life. Okay, and here with the Two of Wands, here I think either you have two options, or you plan to, excuse me, what I see here is, it is something which is, here I see this something new which you are starting. So this is something which you have achieved and your wishes are fulfilled, and now you are focusing on something else. That okay, this part of my life is done, this thing is done, and it's over. Over in the sense, okay, this work is done, sort of, and I'm happy with it. Your feelings are totally content, and now you take a move in a different direction. And either here you have two choices, but you're definite, or it is actually a journey. It is something that you planning to do next. It's something, basically what it is coming off as is, it is an idea which has come to you that now I will do this, and it doesn't flourish over here with the immediately followed by the death card. So what I feel here is that it is that this is okay, this part is okay, but once you decide, you have decided something new also, maybe okay, now this is my next move, or my next venture, or this is how I'll take it forward, whatever it is. But something here is ending, whatever this next step is. This next step isn't that, perhaps whatever your idea is, that idea is not that right, or it's not that wise perhaps, and it is ending. It basically, the thing is, as if you thought of doing something and it doesn't happen. Okay, it just doesn't happen, but immediately it is being followed by the Fool card. So what I feel here is that with the Two of Wands, with the Death, and with the Fool, so whatever this new thing you have on your mind is, won't flourish, and you will have another something new coming on your plate, or will be something new which will be there in your life, which you will, because what you thought is not going to happen, and something else will come up in your life which you will think, okay, now if it's coming up this way, let me try this. Okay, it's coming off like that. Okay, what you think, that if it's like, if I plan to do something and it doesn't just happen, and my plans fall apart, and then universe gives me some other option, and then I think, okay, let's try this one. It's coming off like that. Okay, so whatever you are planning out over here, perhaps won't be that good, and you won't be able to make it, sort of. So that thing won't flourish, and you will be given a new opportunity, or a new idea, or a new beginning, on which you will take that leap of faith. Okay, let's give it a try, and that new thing is going to give you a solid, stable foundation. Okay, so this is something again long term and stable and committed. So what I feel here is that if you are planning after this long term decision, everything is okay over here, your wishes are fulfilled, but somewhere there is a move or a plan which you want to execute, and that isn't that good enough, perhaps, or it won't happen. Okay, it'll end, and you will be offered some new beginning which will be giving you a long term stability, and that financial gain perhaps which you want. Because here what I see is emotional contentment, which is talking about a commitment and or a marriage type of a thing, which is giving a lot of emotional satisfaction here. And here what I see is, now perhaps it is like, okay, now I'm married, now I'll go and I'll earn, sort of. Okay, and whatever way you decide to earn, sort of, doesn't is not doesn't flourish. Okay, and you are given another opportunity which is giving you that financial stability. Okay, so it's something else which will happen rather than what you plan. Okay, so that is the only thing which is coming up. So something different may happen. With the Ten of Hearts, with the Wheel of Fortune, things are moving. Things are moving in a right direction. So I think things it's a pretty good reading for you. Four of Abundance, it's the time to reflect upon your relationship with money. Are you spending it too freely or you're holding on to it too tightly? This can also relate to how you give off yourself to others. Is your heart open or you're holding back? Your hard work and wise investments will bring great success. So perhaps these plans may fall off. This plan which is falling off, it can be because of the fact that you make a wrong move perhaps, and that wrong, and immediately your plans fall off, because I don't see that you will be, it will take a long time for this plan to fall off, whatever this plan is. Okay, and it can be because maybe you are too you've invested more and that is why it's a loss, or maybe you didn't spend enough whatever was required and that is why it couldn't flourish. So whatever the case is, anyway you will be getting a new beginning which is going to give you a financial stability also. So Scorpios, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.